Welcome to Car Magica, your ultimate destination for in-depth vehicle reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates on cars, trucks, and luxury motorhomes. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome Concept, a bold and rugged transformation of an iconic big rig into a state-of-the-art luxury RV. Designed to blend the raw power of a semi-truck with the comfort of a high-end residence, this concept pushes the limits of what a motorhome can be. From the outside, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome Concept is nothing short of commanding. Its long-haul roots are evident in the aerodynamic cab design, massive grille, and reinforced chassis, but it's been reimagined with a sleek, contemporary finish. Custom LED lighting strips, high-mounted panoramic windows, polished chrome accents, and 24-inch heavy-duty wheels make this RV look futuristic yet grounded in real-world performance. It's a showstopper on the highway, part truck, part rolling penthouse. Under the hood, this beast doesn't hold back. The concept is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain built for serious torque and extended range. Whether climbing mountain passes or cruising coast to coast, the Kenworth T2000 delivers effortless power and smooth acceleration. Thanks to air ride suspension and an adapted load balancing system, the ride remains comfortable and controlled. It also features an all-terrain drive mode, regenerative braking, and advanced traction control for handling varied road conditions with confidence. Step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly elegant interior that rivals some of the best luxury coaches. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials, rich wood trims, and custom lighting features. The living quarters include a plush reclining lounge with a retractable OLED entertainment system, a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and a bedroom suite with a king-size bed, hidden storage, and blackout privacy glass. The bathroom offers a rainfall shower, dual vanity, and even a washer-dryer combo for full-time travelers. Smart technology is embedded throughout the motorhome. The cockpit features a full digital dashboard with navigation, system diagnostics, and voice command capability. In the living area, integrated smart home controls allow passengers to manage lighting, climate, and appliances via touchscreens or a mobile app. Entertainment is delivered through satellite TV and high-speed 5G internet, ideal for both remote work and relaxation on the road. Safety and convenience go hand in hand in the T2000 concept. Features include a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. Additional systems monitor tire pressure, cabin air quality, and vehicle security. Parking sensors, auto-leveling jacks, and remote engine start ensure easy setup and mobility wherever you go. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome Concept redefines the heavy-duty RV experience. It combines the brute strength of a commercial truck with the luxury of a high-end home, crafted for adventurers who refuse to compromise on comfort, performance, or style. Whether you're tackling cross-country tours or exploring remote locations. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Car Magica. Stay tuned for more content covering luxury vehicles, groundbreaking RV concepts, and everything in between. This is Car Magica, where innovation meets lifestyle on 4 or 18 wheels.